My dishwasher won't start. It is GE Adora. I reset breaker etc. When I close door the indicator light is orange, keeps flashing and beeps 3 times.
What happened just before the light on your GE dishwasher came on?
The dishwasher was off. I loaded it as normal and picked the cycle I wanted, hit start I as usual and it won't start and light flashes and beeps.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
Just started today. I shut power off to try and reset with no luck.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, I think that is it. Thanks. Just checking on any update here.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. Is there any water inside?
No, there is not any water.
How old is the dishwasher?
5 to 6 years.
If you push start and close the door but hold the door closed with a little pressure, does it start then?
No, it does not.
If you open the door and look at the opening, are the sides of the opening even with the cabinet face or set back a bit?
They are even. The dishwasher is screwed in to be even. It worked fine 24 hours ago and just started not working today.
The beeping happens when you close the door, not when you push the start button, right?
Correct. Push start and then shut door. Beeping when door shut. It beeps 3 times. Flashes orange on front of dishwasher. Customer attachment May 3, 2021 5:36 and 48 seconds p.m.
If you hold the start button for 3 seconds or so until you hear a chime, then close the door, does it run a 2-minute cancel cycle?
No, it clears out and just stays shut down.
Does it still beep 3 times?
No, it is shut down. Totally. It beeps when I hit start again to try and start washer.
Will you provide a picture of it with the door opened and also another of the controls, please?
Customer attachment May 3, 2021 5:51 and 14 seconds p.m. Customer attachment May 3, 2021 5:51 and 25 seconds p.m. Customer attachment May 3, 2021 5:51 and 36 seconds p.m. The green light above start also blinks to match the orange light on front.
So the opening is set back from the cabinet face. There is likely interference with the door that may have caused the latch to short. Interference is not noticeable and the door will still seem to latch, but if you might notice, the door is a bit wider than the dishwasher body. Repositioning the dishwasher forward a bit may solve the issue, but it very well may be that the door latch assembly needs replacing.
It can't be repositioning the dishwasher in my opinion, as it is bolted in.
It is not really bolted in. They're just 2 anchor screws in the metal tabs.
There was 2 anchors on each side so it would not move. I am guessing it is a latch issue.
Did you take the screws out and try moving the dishwasher out to be even with the cabinet face?
I took the entire dishwasher out. Tried to check the latch though. Ben.
Were you able to test it with a voltage meter?
I was not.
The only time that the latch tends to short is when there is poor contact because of cabinet interference, but often it can also be a faulty control board or programming board, so all should be investigated. If you take the latch assembly apart and there is not physical evidence of failure, then that probably is not it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.